Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're soaring into the exhilarating, awe-inspiring, and downright thrilling world of peregrine falcons, those lightning-fast raptors that rule the skies with unmatched speed, precision, and ferocity, captivating us with their breathtaking dives, razor-sharp focus, and a presence that screams pure power. So grab a cozy blanket, a piping hot mug of your favorite drink, a massive pile of snacks, and maybe a notebook to jot down some jaw-dropping facts because we're diving deep into every facet of these aerial assassins. From their mind-blowing physical capabilities, intricate behaviors, and vital ecological roles to quirky fun facts, profound cultural significance, conservation triumphs, cutting-edge scientific discoveries, and incredible anecdotes that'll leave you completely obsessed with these feathered dynamos, because peregrine falcons aren't just birds. They're nature's ultimate speed demons, apex predators, and symbols of resilience and freedom. And I'm absolutely stoked to share this epic vlog with you all, starting with their physical prowess, because peregrine falcons are built for speed and precision, with sleek aerodynamic bodies measuring 16 to 20 inches long, wingspans stretching 3 to 4 feet, and weights ranging from 1 to 3 pounds, with females slightly larger than males. And their strength is formidable, with powerful talons that deliver crushing blows capable of killing prey midair with a single strike. And their flight is nothing short of miraculous, as they're the fastest animals on Earth, reaching speeds up to 240 miles per hour during their signature hunting stoops, vertical dives that generate forces up to 15 times gravity, and even in level flight, they cruise at 60 miles per hour, outpacing most sports cars, and their agility is unmatched, with the ability to execute hairpin turns or barrel rolls to pursue agile prey like pigeons or starlings. And their vision is extraordinary, with eyes that see 8 times sharper than humans, detecting a sparrow from 2 miles away. And their retinas have a unique fovea structure for tracking fast-moving targets, while a nictitating membrane protects their eyes during high-speed dives, and their respiratory system is a marvel, with air sacs and a high-efficiency lung design that sustain oxygen flow during extreme exertion, allowing them to maintain top speeds without tiring, and their beaks, equipped with a toenail tooth, a notched ridge, slice through prey necks with surgical precision, but their intelligence is just as impressive, as peregrines exhibit advanced problem-solving, like adjusting hunting strategies based on prey behavior or learning to exploit urban environments, and their spatial memory is phenomenal, recalling prime hunting perches or nesting sites across hundreds of miles. And communication is a sharp mix of high-pitched kek-kek-kek calls, wails, and chattering screeches used to coordinate with mates, defend territory, or signal to fledglings. And while they're solitary hunters, peregrines form strong pair bonds, often mating for life. And their social structure revolves around these partnerships, with both parents sharing duties during breeding season, and their habitats are incredibly diverse, spanning every continent except Antarctica, from Arctic tundras to tropical forests, desert cliffs to urban skyscrapers, where they've adapted to nest on ledges mimicking their ancestral cliff sites. And their diet is predominantly avian, feasting on birds like doves, ducks, and songbirds, with some taking bats or insects, and their hunting technique is a spectacle, using high-altitude stoops to strike prey at blinding speeds, often killing instantly with a clenched talon or knocking birds out of the air. And they consume up to 1/5 of their body weight daily, caching excess food on ledges for later. And peregrines are apex predators, rarely preyed upon except by larger raptors like eagles or owls, though eggs and chicks fall to raccoons or snakes, and their ecological role is critical, controlling populations of pest birds like pigeons, which prevents crop damage and disease spread. And their presence supports biodiversity by maintaining balance in avian communities, and reproduction is a carefully orchestrated affair, with courtship in late winter or spring involving spectacular aerial displays, where males perform spiraling dives or pass prey midair to females, and pairs nest on cliff ledges, skyscrapers, or bridges, laying 3 to 4 eggs incubated for 29 to 33 days, primarily by the female, while the male hunts, and chicks, born altricial and covered in white down, fledge at 5 to 6 weeks, learning to hunt through parental guidance, and peregrines live 8 to 15 years in the wild, with some reaching 20 in captivity, and their intelligence shines in their adaptability, with urban peregrines learning to hunt at night under city lights or use building thermals to conserve energy, and studies show they can recognize individual humans or adjust hunting based on wind patterns. And their adaptations are evolutionary wonders, from a streamlined body with pointed wings for speed to nasal baffles that regulate airflow during dives, preventing lung damage, and their feathers are tightly packed for aerodynamics, with a molt cycle that ensures peak performance, and peregrines interact with other species dynamically, competing with hawks for prey, mobbing larger predators to protect nests, or coexisting with urban wildlife like bats. And their conservation story is a triumph, as they were nearly wiped out by DDT pesticide poisoning in the mid-20th century, which thinned eggshells and crashed populations by 80%. But bans on DDT in the 1970s, combined with captive breeding and release programs by groups like the Peregrine Fund, led to a remarkable recovery, with global populations now estimated at 140,000 adults. Though threats like habitat loss, climate change, and collisions with wind turbines or buildings persist, killing thousands annually. And urban nesting programs, hacking towers, and webcam monitoring have boosted numbers, while organizations like the Raptor Resource Project engage the public, and peregrines hold a profound place in human culture. Revered in ancient Egypt as symbols of the sky god Horus, celebrated in Native American lore as messengers of courage, and used in medieval falconry as prized hunting companions, and in modern times they symbolize speed and freedom. Inspiring team mascots, military aircraft names like the F-16 Falcon, and films like Kes, while webcams on nests captivate millions. And recent research, like a 2024 Journal of Avian Biology study on their dive aerodynamics, or work by Dr. Tom Cade, founder of the Peregrine Fund, reveals how their tail feathers adjust drag for stability, with applications in aerospace. And fun facts: peregrines are the fastest flyers. Their dives are so intense they'd black out a human pilot, and they can migrate up to 15,000 miles annually, with some traveling from the Arctic to South America, navigating via the sun and magnetic fields, and their eggs are speckled to blend with cliffs, and anecdotes are thrilling, like a peregrine in Chicago rescuing a chick from a ledge in 2022, or one clocked at 260 miles per hour in a 2021 study. And their 95% shared DNA with other birds belies their unique traits, like their speed or stoop, and their behaviors, from cooperative hunting with mates to mobbing crows, show a fierce spirit. And their conservation is a call to action, supporting raptor protection, reducing pesticide use, or advocating for urban nest boxes can help, because saving peregrines means saving ecosystems, and their scientific value, from inspiring flight models to studying migration, is vast. So let's keep them soaring. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite peregrine fact? Have you seen one dive? Or what's your take on their conservation? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell. And let's keep this community thriving as we celebrate the animal kingdom. Because peregrines are pure magic, so stay curious, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.